So if you want to go ahead and use Leonardo AI, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to leonardoai.com. And once you're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Launch App. Now, what this does is it basically takes you in to the actual sign in section. Now, I am already signed up, so it's going to take me straight to the home. Now, once we're over here, basically, there's a lot of features that you can use. Okay, the main AI tools are image generation, motion capture, real-time canvas, real-time generation, canvas editor, and universal upscaler. So there's different things that you can create for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go over to image generation, all right? And once we come to image generation, we can go ahead and generate anything through the prompt. Okay, we have settings on the left-hand side as well. So let's say I'm going to choose the preset from cinematic keynote to, let's say, I'm gonna go over ahead to concept art, or let's go with anime. Okay, that seems pretty cool. Once we go with anime, you're gonna come to type a prompt, and here you can add any prompt like let's say Musashi fighting, and once we write this, we're gonna click on generate. So we have Musashi fighting Genghis Khan. Okay, so it's pretty random and it's pretty out of nowhere, but obviously it's a prompt, and AI's whole purpose is to deliver the prompt that you have written. So as we can see, it took around 12 to 13 seconds, and look at that. How cool and incredible does that look? So basically, this is how you're going to be using Leonardo AI for yourself. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Zapier's AI chatbot. Okay, so obviously you are familiar with Zapier. It's one of the greatest automation applications out there, but you can build a free AI chatbot with Zapier, okay? So now you have an AI chatbot and you can build automations using this chatbot. And if you have an account, you can try it absolutely for free. So you can create custom AI chatbots and take action with built-in automation where no coding is required, okay? So you're going to try it for free. It's easy to build. You can connect and control your data and actually match your brand. And what happens is you can build a custom AI by telling it what to do. You can name your chatbot, add a custom greeting, and give it a role. And then you can connect your knowledge sources for greater automation, securely share your chatbot. You can try Zapier's AI chatbot totally for free, which is another thing that I like, that it's one of in the free sections. And here's the template. So you have ZapChat, where you can build your own AI chatbot experience. Then there's research assistant chatbot. And there's simple FAQ chatbot. There's more templates of chatbots as well. But it's pretty easy to try it. All you need is a free Zapier account, and it's going to give you the chatbot right in front of you. So let's say I'm going to go on GitHub, okay? And I'm going to search up Maze C++. Let's just search that up. And I'm going to write Maze C++. And once you write that, look at this. You can start getting maze generators. Let's say we have this maze generator and this person created it in the C++, right? We're going to go in this. So it's a recursive backtracker maze generator. And this person has, explained it. So this is the maze generator. You're going to write that, and look at that. It's going to generate a whole maze that you can work in. You can walk through it. You get the dependency. You get the compiling. It gives you the whole code over here as well with the files. So, you can actually get the whole code by copying it and installing it. You can go to the actual file to get the code for yourself as well. And that is what GitHub mainly is for. So upload code, get code, and just talk with other people regarding coding. And that is basically about it. This new feature in Photoshop that we have which is called AI generated fill. Obviously, you've been seeing a lot of memes and reels about it, where someone can choose a region of a photo, and once they choose a region, it's going to say generate, and it's going to give you a prompt beside it. So you're going to click on generate, and obviously, as you can see, it was empty, but now it has a cheetah over there. And you can also add anything you want. So basically, you're going to open up your Photoshop, and you're going to go to any picture you have. Let's say we have this picture. You're going to go to the selection tool and then just select a part of your photo. Here it says use any selection tool to select an object or area in your image, and select the generate a fill button in the contextual taskbar. Write a prompt describing the object or scene you want to generate in the text entry prompt box, or leave it blank, and Photoshop will fill in the selection based on the surroundings. And then finally, click generate. And obviously, you're going to get to see the whole thing. And it turns it into something cool pretty fast. So that's why I like this a lot, and you should use this for yourself as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye. Music AI voice changer real time. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this music AI voice changer in the real time in the easiest way. So this voice changer that we have is called Voice Dash Swap AI, okay? And you can simply write music AI voice changer over here and you can get this in the top. Obviously, we have voice mod as well, which is one of the most famous ones when it comes to Discord. But obviously, we're going to use voice swap because voice swap was only made for, musicians. Now, basically, you can try it pretty simply. Obviously, it has its pricings and all that you are going to need to go ahead with. So you're going to sign up with your emails and all. Now, once you sign in, it takes you to the verification sections. It takes you to the mailing sections. So just go ahead and verify yourself. And once you verify yourself, it takes you into the obvious in-depth workings and analysis of how this software is supposed to work with you. So this is how it's going to look. You have all these artists that you can work with. Now, you're going to click on any artist to get started. You have session artists as well. These are obviously AI. So I'm going to go ahead with this person over here, Chuck Roberts. And once you go over here, you're just going to choose. Chuck Roberts is one of the house music's most iconic notes. I waited all day. I stayed up all night by the phone way. So you can see that this person's voice is AI and it's pretty good. So you can write any type of text you want to, or drag or upload your own mic audio, and they will obviously convert it. So that is how you can do real-time voice switching in the easiest way. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Canva AI Image Generator 2024 Full Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Canva's new AI image generator, how we're going to use it, and how we can integrate it into new recurring different designs, okay? So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to come over to canva.com. So I'm going to be showing you how you can, generate images using AI and then how you can implement it into actual designs, okay? So to start things off, what we are going to do is we're going to come over here to apps. Now, once you go to apps, from here, what's going to happen is you're going to come down here and you're going to click on AI powered. Now, once you click on AI powered, you get tons and tons of generators. You get Dolly, you get Imagine, and all of these different types of things. Now, the best ones are Magic Media and Dolly, so it depends on whichever you want to use. I would suggest going with the Magic Media because obviously that's Canva's very own Magic AI generator, but I'm also going to use Dolly just to give you an idea on how both of these work, okay? So to start things off, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up, okay? And I'm going to open this up in a new design. I'm going to open up a new design and let's give it some Instagram post radius. So once we do that, I'm going to come to Magic Media as well, just to, get a basic idea on a new design. So again, I'm going to come here, Instagram post. So here we have two Magic AI image generators, Dolly and, Magic Media. So they both work very, similarly. All you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put in a prompt. Now, when it comes to Magic Media, you can use images and you can create videos. It uses Runway to create videos. It's experimental right now, and you have 5 credits, okay? Even in this, you have 50 credits. So basically, after using these 50 credits on photos and 5 credits on videos, you're going to have to, buy Canva Pro. Without that, you won't be able to use it. Dolly, on the other hand, only gives you 3 credits. After that, you have to buy Canva Pro, and that is how you're going to be using Dolly. So I'm going to be using these credits for you guys today and, showing you the full capability of the stuff. So first of all, you have styles and aspect ratio. Which aspect ratio do you want this in? I'm going to keep it in square so it fits well. And then we have styles. So you have photography styles, you have digital art styles, and then you have fine art styles. So let's first of all go with this. I'm going to go with some vibrant styling. And from vibrant styling, it says describe the image that you want and we will generate it for you. You can also, by the way, try an example where it tells you this stuff. The dim lit room with people eating at a table, 18th century. But I'm going to, take that off and I'm going to write my own prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 people standing on a hill, camera, and at their backs. And obviously, we're 5 people standing on a hill, camera panned at their backs. And obviously, we're going to go ahead and add landscape, retro, sunny, city life in front of them, Cadillac beside them. Okay, so that's a very hefty, you know, prompt. So let's go ahead and generate that. Let's see what it gives us, and you know, let's see where it takes us from. So we're just gonna wait for it to generate, and I'm gonna bring it back to you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, now you have your prompts generated. So you have 4 prompts, this, and this. Now you can see the vibrant vibe from it. It looks pretty cool, right? So I'm going to bring this one over here just to see how it looks. And look at that. And now if we increase its size, that's the best part about creating an image through AI. You never lose its quality as like even if you make it big. So look at that. City in the bag, it seems retro, gives a very vibrant vibe. Now obviously the faces of the people aren't the greatest. Now the reason for that is because AI doesn't really capture a real life person's face very well. But yeah, you get the main vibe of it. And you get 4 variants of it. Plus, you can also change its style from the style section. So let's say I want it to be neon and I'm gonna click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just gonna keep it like this, and I'm just gonna increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that. It started creating these retro images. So I'm going to add this one over here and look at how cool that looks. Like this is the type of stuff that Canva is good at creating. So I'm just going to match it over here and look at that. So now we have a very retro and cool vibe going on. Then let's go with some concept art. And while we're at this, let's also go ahead and discuss Dolly, okay? So in Dolly, you do the same thing, but in this, there's no style. You're just gonna enter your prompt and they're gonna give it to you. So, let's go ahead and write retro image of, so I'm gonna write retro image of a metal band performing at Woodstock. Woodstock is this performance venue, so I'm just going to go ahead and generate this. All that is being generated. Look at that. So now it's created a concept art, and that looks really nice. That looks really cool. I'm just going to add it to my design, make it smaller. There we go. And obviously, you're just going to wait for the quality to settle in. It takes a few seconds to load in. And there we go. Now the quality settled in. And finally, what we're going to do is let's change it to Filmic as well. Let's say I want a Filmic font. And while that is going on, look at this. DALL-E has created this for us. Now, DALL-E basically gives you the most realistic pictures, in my opinion. Like after Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, obviously Dolly will give you very realistic pictures. So look at this. It actually looks like a band poster. Again, the faces, don't go on them because, it's AI. AI is not the greatest at faces, but you get the retro vibe. And this is actually Woodstock. Woodstock stage did look like this. It's a metal band performing and, pretty cool stuff. And finally, we're over here. We get the filmic vibe. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it right here, make it smaller. There we go. And yeah, there we are. So you can see we made this 4 picture collage through AI. We made it through Magic AI. We made it through the Magic Pictures that we just used. And I'm simply going to go ahead and download this. And then you have this as well. And you're going to see that the image quality of these is absolutely out of this world. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using the image AI in Canva. So I hope that was, fun to watch for you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Free text to video AI generator. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can convert your text to video in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to Invideo.io and you're going to go to Invideo AI. And once you're in Invideo AI, you're going to go to AI text to video. And here you can see You can turn text to video right now, no credit card required. It's totally free. You're just going to need to sign up with their platform, okay? And you're going to write any text in the prompt box that they give you. And once you write that text, they're going to give you that video. Obviously, it might not be the greatest, but it is pretty acceptable. It looks pretty nice, and it's pretty dope that you're going to get this totally for free. So convert text to video with AI. Easiest way to turn text to video with AI is here. Create videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok with simple text prompts for yourself. Yeah, and that's pretty much about it. Invideo IO, check it out right now and start creating. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Midjourney tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Midjourney and how you can use this absolutely incredible application called Midjourney. Okay, it's totally AI related, and to start using this, first of all, I'm going to show you the showcase where, people have actually shown what they make using Midjourney. And Midjourney is obviously pretty independent. Now, to start using Midjourney, you're going to click on join the beta, where they're going to make you join a Discord server. Okay, Midjourney only works on Discord. So they're going to give you a Discord server where you can go ahead and make things like these. Look at this art. It's absolutely out of this world, isn't it? So what you're going to do is you're going to add prompts for yourself in Midjourney. Okay, so look at these prompts. Now, to make this, what you're going to do, again, Discord, you're going to continue to your Discord where you're going to accept the invite. And once you do that, you're going to run up your Discord. Now, I'm already in the Midjourney server, so let me show you how it works. So once you run up Midjourney, as you can see, it loads you in, so make roles and stuff. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Midjourney server. Now, Midjourney server is going to be right here. It's going to look somewhat like that. Over here, you're going to go to any room, okay? Now, generally, you should go in the general room. So let's say I'm going to go to general 9, okay? So there's tons and tons of room. Now, to generate something, you're going to write slash imagine, and then it's going to give you a prompt, okay? So in this prompt, you're going to write whatever, like, red color in the sky, etc., something like that. And that is how you can use Midjourney. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Jasper AI tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is a co-pilot for different marketing teams. Now, Jasper was created for all these marketing platforms, okay? And it was created for sales and CRM and just to make your CRM and sales better, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot, okay? And it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person. An expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topics. A familiar design that's accessible and easy to use and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff. But after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between Jasper and ChatGPT Plus. So, definitely use Jasper AI, sign up, and start using it right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Copilot AI from Microsoft. In this particular example, guys, we're going to use very balanced over here on the settings creative mode that will help us to start a business. In the first example that we're going to go over here, guys, we're going to ask what products are good to start an e-commerce business in 2024 based on Google Trends. Let's see. In the previous video, guys, we used Bart AI to start a dropshipping store. We got amazing results. We got Google Trends, all the top search products around Christmas. We got amazing. You definitely want to go out on the channel and find this video as well. Let's see how the Copilot will perform in comparison with. So what we're having over here, let's see. That's a great question. E-commerce, dynamic, competitive, blah blah blah. Sustainable products, consumers are becoming more. That's not what I'm looking for. Give me exact products. You see, that's not good. How about stop? We need to stop replying. Okay. Sustainable products, personalized products, smart products. That's not what I'm looking. How about based on search volume? What are the most searched products recently on Bing search? It didn't answer us for Google search. I think we all know why, but they cannot skip the question for Bing search. Let's see. Based on the web search results, same thing. Oh my gosh, this is very bad, guys. Unfortunately, it looks like I cannot recommend you because they simply cannot help us. Can you even give us a practical information aside from generic sustainable products examples? Let's see. Keep giving us this same tech. I'm sorry if you're not satisfied with previous answer. I was trying to give you some trending categories of products that if you want to check, where do you sending me? So if you want a more practical information, you can check out some of the resources that I found from my tool. For example, so guys, if you pay very close attention, if you watch other videos, we did case studies. Bing is very strong of giving you sources. It's giving you links to the website. It's not strong of building its own conclusions, which I don't know. If we click on this, for example, they give us a practical e-commerce, which provides news, tips, guidance, and examples of online e-commerce. If you click on this one, why would I click on this one? Charts of 2024, outlook of global CEOs, January 24. Oh, it looks like some blog post or something. Also, they gave us how to start a business from scratch, guide from Shopify, another useful resource, guide to comma, crazy egg. So guys, I cannot recommend you using a Copilot for starting a business or any real life advice or real life navigation or tutorial how to do something. Obviously, so far I can tell you that Bart AI is the winner. It beat ChatGPT. ChatGPT has outdated information and very confusing generic propositions and answers. So if you really want to look to find, we created a Shopify business using Bart AI. Go out and find the video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to have access to Bart AI and we're going to ask Bart AI how to make money in 2024 online, judging by simply him having the best Google search results, best content put it out there, generated from Google search and all the social medias combined. This is the series number 4, guys. And in series number 1, we went to personal finance. Series number 2, we went to how you could save money. In series number 3, we went through how you can get out of debt. And this is series number 4, in which we're going to focus on how to make money online in 2024. So far, we've been getting a lot of amazing strategies throughout the whole financial journey. Let's see what is based on Google Trends over here, guys. How and where you should approach this year. Okay, according to BART AI, 2024 has a lot of opportunities for online money-making skills. Let's focus on details. Number 1 is freelancing. Essentially, over here, they try to send you to create your side hustle gigs on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. This include writing, editing, graphic design, web development, programming, marketing. Okay, but I want something more specific. Let's ask, what about using AI to make money online in 2024? Let's see something more upgraded, guys. Let's use the vast capacity of BART AI. Okay. The idea number 1 is AI-powered content creation. Generate blog posts, articles, and even scripts with AI writing tools like Jasper or Shortly AI. Essentially, over here, guys, they are suggesting you that you should start your own blog and you should start posting blogs. The second suggestion is to create engaging social media content with AI-powered tools like Canva or Lumen 5. Essentially, they will offer you, or they will create you templates, images, or music suggestions where you can actually sell to your audience or simply use to generate followers. The third one will be to develop personalized learning materials as ebooks using the AI. Tools like Shortly AI can help you tailor content for a specific audience and learning styles. This is very good. Guys, you should definitely check out this. I personally going to check out this after I finish this video. Second suggestion in chapter 2 will be AI-driven product development, design and sell unique products using AI tools such as Midjourney. I'm using this. These platforms allows you to generate custom artwork, clothing patterns. A very important note over here, guys, you want to make sure you have the rights to use the designs on materials. Some of these platforms still keep the rights, or you have to pay for special additional license. Okay. Personalized products on demand with AI, use generated custom images, engraving. Okay, this is a good idea. Or messages or physical products like mug scans, print on demand, so on and so forth. The suggestion number 3, AI-powered marketing and sales. Target your ideal customers with laser precision using tools like Google Ads. You can run ad campaigns, you can run Facebook ad campaigns, Google ad campaigns. You can start a marketing agency over here. This is what comes to my mind over here, guys. And you can simply create and schedule marketing campaigns and posts for other people. And they can simply opt in for like a weekly or monthly packages. You can run the whole marketing for like 100 companies a month. Chapter number 4, AI assistant, investing and trading. I tried this one. We built the AI bot trading, didn't perform so well. According to them, gain valuable insights in financial markets with AI-powered investment platforms. Automate your trading decisions with AI-powered trading bots. I think the opportunity over here, guys, will be if you can use AI to provide like a real-time data and analysis, like a big data using AI. And last chapter over here is to offer AI-powered services. Become AI consultant to help businesses to integrate into AI. Yeah, this is again like a corporate software, like I would say Salesforce replaced by AI type of stuff. So guys, as we saw, we extract so much important information and save you a tons of time here for 5 minutes. You saw what is currently trending and where people are actually focusing and starting business on. This is why the power of AI, BART AI, it's very important. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a 10 free shorts out of a long form video. Very easy, very simple. We're going to use an AI app that will cut and do all the work for you. Okay, very easy, guys, very simple. First thing, let's find the video that we want to cut, right? Let's launch the YouTube. Let's say, for example, you're into politics. Okay, I know. Let's say you want to get this video from yesterday's debate, right? And you want to cut this video into 10 small shorts. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the three dots under the video, and then we're gonna click share. We're gonna copy the link. Okay, pay attention, this video it's around 10 minutes long. Okay, now after we copy the link, I want you to go on Google Chrome, and I want you to find this app over here. It's called Opus Pro. Okay, it's not Opus AI. I see this many people making this mistake coming on Opus AI. It's Opus Pro. Okay, you want to click on Opus Pro, and this is where you're going to sign up for free, and you're going to paste the link that we just copied. Okay, the main point over here is that they will generate 10 short videos, and they're gonna send you an email when the videos are ready. You don't have to stay on this page at all. So just paste the link, click get clips over here, and they're gonna send you 10 shorts. The shorts will look like this with captions. You can select the styles, and the post, each post will be coming with ranking, ranked from 1 to 10 with the highest chance of getting viral. Okay, number 1 will be the highest chance of the video getting viral, number 10 will be the less likelihood, and they will be coming with small description, right, so you can actually use it. It's very easy, guys. Again, it's free. You will have a certain amount of credits. Okay, so after you run out of credits, then you can opt in for the paid subscription and the other version with unlimited credits. But essentially, this is how you start. Just get your feet wet, see what works for you, what doesn't.
So in this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is a co-pilot for different marketing teams. Now, Jasper was created for all these marketing platforms, okay? And it was created for sales and CRM, and just to make your CRM and sales better, okay?
So in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot. Okay, and it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person. An expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topics. A familiar design that's accessible and easy to use, and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff. But after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat, because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between Jasper and ChatGPT Plus.
So in this sample, I'm going to create a phone wallpaper design with snow on the trees and small ski jets around the forest. Let's create and let's see how it will go. Remember, guys, this is powered by Dalio again, but it's so unusual that every app works differently. But even though they might be powered by the Dalio, they give a different result. So look at this. Isn't it absolutely amazing? So I believe this one looks so cool. So if I show you this one, right, It definitely feels like a game. You see the small like jet skis, and then you have like the trees, and definitely looks so cool. Like if you look at the other one, right? We have even the 3D over here. It's so cool, guys. You have like the skis on the side. Definitely you can use this for like a landing page on your website if you're changing the landing page throughout the seasons, and the quality is amazing. You can see that there's like a frozen lake on the screen, there is some snow on the screen of the phone. In our example over here, guys, we are going to create a special new logo. Create a logo for a company that makes watches based in Switzerland and make it inspired by Rolex. The watches are made out of wood. Let's see where we're gonna get. This is one of my favorite, guys. It's really mind-blowing. I created previously on case studies with this, like a New York City in the sky, New York City in the ocean, like with the beaches. Look at what we just made. Unbelievable. Look at this Rolex. I think this is very cool. This is absolutely amazing. Tell me that this will not be like a limited edition. So pretty, right? That's why I said that this tool, it's absolutely unbelievable. You see the bracelet looks like the president bracelet. So far this is the best tool, guys. And you see, this is like a real craftsman. It's really like a limited edition collection. Look at this, like a logo and stuff, right? Everything is like engraved with the wood. This is how you create the best logo, guys. For more tips like this, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the Bing AI image creator powered by Dalio. I've been making a lot of these case studies so you can go ahead and see the results that we achieved in my other videos. We built cities in the future, we built businesses, we built products, prototypes for products. In today's example, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create and ask image generator to generate a whole collection of a future sport brand. So if you're new to the whole Bing AI image creation situation, all you gotta do is to go on bing.com and create an account for Bing, and then you simply come over here on the image creator and you start exploring. For the people who are here for the first time, guys, every image that you see over here has been generated with the prompts above. So when you essentially click on it, you will see what exactly the person created the image inputted as a prompt. So in this example, for the robot, we have 1970s Psy robot portrait, studio light on emerald colored background. Okay, then you have a cute small forest zen wood tempo 3D game isometric. So what probably states in front of you is that a lot of people are using keywords and not always in a way in which they make sense, but they make sense for the algorithm to generate the image, to envision what you try to create. Because remember, all these images that you see over here are essentially a text. So for the AI to be able to convert text into an image, it has to have a very good description and explanation. So in our case here, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Create a new futuristic brand for people who love sport. Use inspiration from Nike, in particular Nike Air Jordans high top. Also make the brand eco-friendly. Let's see. I'm very excited to see what he's gonna come up with. We're talking about new futuristic brand based on Nike Air Jordan style, and it's also eco-friendly. What kind of materials we're gonna come up with? Let's see. I want to make sure you check the previous videos, guys. Amazing results we had. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this, guys. It does says Nike. I don't know why it says Nike, but it still looks cool. Looks very, very cool. So this one does not says Nike, so I think this could be used for sure. It's like a robotic AI out of the universe type of style. Yeah, it still says Nike, but I mean, it looks so cool, right? Looks like a big city. Like there is a forest on the side, you get the ocean, and that's not the Earth, guys. The Earth is right over there with all the planes and stuff, right? Flying cars. I think this is so cool. If you really like reselling shoes, I think this is something that you probably will want to use. This is what I meant by saying, guys, first of all, you gotta use as many details as possible. Second, you gotta comprehend yourself, your vision. I want you to make this. I want it to look like this. I want it to act like this. I want you to have this impact and, you know, be made of this like eco-friendly stuff, right? This is why we see the plants and this and that. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to walk you through another case study how you can use the AI generator from Bing Image Creator. This is very easy tool that you can simply comprehend utilizing the power of Dalio. We previously used it to create current cities in the future, cities in the sky. We use it to create a mock-ups for business ideas and prototypes for business products. In this example, we essentially going to go even further and we're going to create a completely new elements that simply doesn't exist in our society. For example, over here, if you're first time come over here, on the examples and the ideas that are underneath, you will see that when you actually put your finger on each of the images, you will see what was inputted as a prompt. So for example, they inputted a realistic still life painting of a, you know, some particular fruits and vegetables. On next one is a waterfall that flows with a hidden cave into a crystal clear pool. So I hope you get the idea. You want to make sure that you are as detailed as possible, because every additional word means that you are going to add or ask the AI to add additional element on the image, which make it even more unique. The next one over here, a picture of fall landscape with trees, mountains and river, except the trees are You see what I'm even saying? So in our example over here, guys, we are going to take a look and we're going to create the best beaches with a lot of palm trees in Manhattan, New York. Make the palms green and tall, and the beach is wide and with yellow sand. Include water sports around in the river, like para sailing and windsurfing. Well, guys, we're about to have a lot of fun. I just feel it. Just imagine Manhattan with a lot of parasailing, with a lot of palm trees around the island. This is what I imagine. Let's see what the AI will imagine. And like you saw in my example, I utilize a plenty of imagination, plenty of wording, plenty of positioning of the words, and this is what we came from. Click on the first image, guys, and this is absolutely amazing. Tell me that you're not really excited and you're not like, wow, man, can you imagine this would be the city? Absolutely stunning, guys. So if you come over here on the next one, wow, look at this parasailing. You got jet skis, you got sailings, you got kayaking. This is really cool. This is like a video game, like a GTI. How about this one here? This is what I meant, guys. You see, if I didn't include that we want to have a yellow sand and tall palm trees and sailing boats all around the place and parasailing, right, you're not gonna end up getting the whole picture in one. This looks like a Miami. You see, with the channels here of water. This is amazing. This is what I meant over here, guys. You gotta respect the hustle. You gotta respect the ideas of people and the vision. That's the main lesson over here. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and of course like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how you should use the big AI image generator. It is very easy, very helpful, and of course very powerful by simply utilizing one of the most powerful image generators such as Dalio. So now guys, as you can see over here, we have a couple of examples where you can simply hover on and click a little, so you will see what kind of information people inputted. A delicious breakfast of fluffy pancakes stacked high in plate dozen. So the more details that you put, guys, the better output and results you will get. Also, every time when you click on some image, you will see a similarity. Okay, you will see images that are in the same category or have been described in a very similar manner, and you will see the difference between one image to another, so you can actually get the sweet spot. Look at this one: abstract art paper, origami diorama Tokyo amusement park. How about this one? Simple paper mache abstract paper. Okay, how about this one? So as you can see, whimsical paper, that there is something that is always similar and it repeats itself in the description, in the images that are in the same niche. You always have a diorama paper collage, right? And then everything else is up to you. So when you come over here and you create your account, you log in into your image creator account, you want to come over here and you want to describe as detailed as possible what your prompt supposed to look like, right? So for example, if I say I want to see what a electric scooter built by Tesla would look like with Tesla's battery and design reminding to Tesla car, make it look like as real as possible. So based on it, we can try to build the real thing. Okay guys, are you excited to see what the heck we're going to get? I've been thinking about this idea and I've been trying to create a mock-ups around this idea, but let's see what the actual image generator will spit over here. Very curious to see, to think about it. I've been trying image generator for building New York City in different locations, but now we have a chance to look at something different. Okay, let's take the first one. That actually looks so cool. Gotta be honest, this is definitely something nice. So let's see this one. Oh, this is so cool. It's crazy guys how this can actually turn your text, your imagination into a real thing. Now this looks like too average, too regular. Okay, this looks kind of cool. I like the big front headlight, but I think it's still kind of usual scooter, nothing like crazy. But I still think that you can use it for mockups. You can use it to create a particular prototypes, without any cost. But the idea is that you want to make sure that everything is very realistic, something that you can utilize right away. Otherwise, you might just losing your time and create just getting some comic characters or whatever. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Bing AI image generator. This is very important because essentially you can create all these cool ideas simply by inputting your prompt or your vision or your imagination in the form of a text. I want you to think about something when you look at these images. Everything that you see over here was a text prompt prior. Okay, so the only inspiration here comes from your imagination. So the main idea, after you create your account and you log in into image creator at Bing, what you want to do over here is that you want to create a very important and detailed prompt. So the more details you include in your prompt, the better the results and the output will be. As you can see over here, this is a family of bears preparing for hibernation in their den. Okay, if you look at over here, a cozy cabin in the woods surrounded by colorful autumn leaves. Look at this, a close-up of a red marble leaf in the veins and spots detaching from a branch. Look at this, haunted castle with a dark knight in front of it, 1970s dark fantasy book cover. So guys, essentially now we're going to create something amazing. Last time I did had another video on the topic. You want to make sure you check it out. We created New York City, the island of Manhattan, in the middle of the ocean, which was mind-blowing. So in our example over here, we are going to create something surreal. We want to see create Manhattan, New York City, as if we live in the clouds, and make it obvious that the earth is down there under the sky cities. What else we can include? I think that's okay. Let's see what kind of results we're going to get. It's very, very nice, guys. This is simply powered by Dali, which is one of the best, if not the best, image generator. So what we can see over here, the first one I don't like, second one, third one, not so cool results. Let's pick this and let's take a look. I mean, it looks okay. Doesn't feel that we have the potential. Let's see this one. If I remove the ear, this might actually be good. But let's see the other ones, because I don't know why they include the ear, right? Let's see this one. This one looks good, in fact. This one looks good if I remove everything around the hands, right? If I simply remove everything around the hands, you might be onto something, and replace all the surrounded background with the clouds. Okay guys, I don't think this is exactly remove the body elements and make the background around the city in the sky. You need to learn how to play with this, guys. Don't forget, we do have to attach and be very good with prompting. Prompts are the most important tool that you want to focus over here. Everything else could simply not be perfect, but the prompts have to be detailed and have to help the algorithm to really, envision what you really want to see. I mean, not remove the ear. So far, so good, my dear friends. In the other video that I created, it was so easy from the first bat. We just got what we're looking for. Sometimes, obviously, it takes a while, but with a little practice, you know exactly how to place your order, how to place your prompts. As you can see over here, we're getting more clouds and more clouds and more clouds. So if I come over here, you will see this is very, very similar to what we're looking at. And it looks cool. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. This is very, very interesting, guys, very useful. You will be able to create amazing designs, as you can see over here. These particular images are simply powered by DALI 3, which, as you may have guessed, is extremely powerful. Very important, first thing you want to click over here, join and create. You want to create after you sign in, right, with your account. In our example over here, guys, we are going to create something unique. We are going to create a city in the middle of the ocean, that is looking like New York City. Well guys, now we are waiting to see what will be the result over here. Very, very interesting. It is easy to use. You don't have to have a specific particular knowledge, or you don't have to be a designer or creator. You can just use your imagination. It usually takes a while, but it depends on the traffic, depends how many people are using it. If you can see over here what has been given here as an idea, as inspiration, if you can see, there's an astronaut, right, that is not actually in the space. It looks like he's floating somewhere else. Okay. Oh wow, just look at this. Look at what we created over here, guys. If you click on one of these images, right, you're gonna essentially have this amazing creation. So guys, what we can do this, first of all, you can click share, right? You can share this to a website. You can copy the link, you can put the link inside your blog post. You can come over here on the plus sign that you see over here. You can essentially save this into your images because you have a collection, right? Usually people create collections. Or you can click on the three dots over here and simply click download. This is simply unbelievable. As you can see, the quality of it is saved in 262 kilobytes, so it is not a large format, right? So you click over here, you click download, and then you simply download it. Okay, this is how simple it is. So if you look at the other images, so if we close down, we can look at, wow, look at this image, guys. This is simply unbelievable. Just think about how you can utilize this in your own world. Just, you see, we have two stages of liberty, right? You have multiple crossing bridges. It's absolutely stunning, and this has just been generated and created from like I said, just one simple prompt. Look at this. So guys, this is how simple it is. If you want to change something, right, you can click on the text underneath and you can essentially add to your previous prompt. For example, if you want to come over here, you can simply create and you can add more to the items. The more important part over here is that you have this small lightning on the side. So this might essentially means that creating images more quickly with boost, that will essentially help you to speed up the whole process, right? It's kind of an upgrade. So essentially you can utilize many functions, but this is simply mind-blowing, guys.
So if you want to go ahead and use Leonardo AI, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to leonardoai.com, and once you're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Launch App. Now what this does is it basically takes you in to the actual sign in section. Now I am already signed up, so it's going to take me straight to the home. Now once we're over here, basically there's a lot of features that you can use. Okay, the main AI tools are image generation, motion capture, real-time canvas, real-time generation, canvas editor, and universal upscaler. So there's different things that you can create for yourself. Let's say I'm going to go over to image generation, all right? And once we come to image generation, we can go ahead and generate anything through the prompt. Okay, we have settings on the left hand side as well. So let's say I'm going to choose the preset from cinematic keynote to, let's say I'm going to go over ahead to concept art, or let's go with anime. Okay, that seems pretty cool. Once we go with anime, you're going to come to type a prompt, and here you can add any prompt like let's say Musashi fighting, and once we write this, we're going to click on generate. So we have Musashi fighting Genghis Khan. Okay, so it's pretty random and it's pretty out of nowhere, but obviously it's a prompt, and AI's whole purpose is to deliver the prompt that you have written. So as we can see, it took around 12 to 13 seconds, and look at that. How cool and incredible does that look? So basically, this is how you're going to be using Leonardo AI for yourself.